This protocol can help answer key questions in the field of body armor development by defining a repeatable procedure to test the mechanical properties of flexible unidirectional composite fabrics. A straight, clean cut, well-oriented with the fiber direction is critical for the accurate measurement of failure stress by preventing additional sources of error.
This technique fills a gap in current testing by allowing interrogation of a material's properties without hot pressing, which is more representative of its use in soft body armor.
Unroll a bolt of unidirectional material to be tested to a work surface. The unwound portion is the precursor material. Visually verify that the principal fiber direction is parallel to the width of the bolt. Next, get a scalpel to isolate the precursor material. Create a tab by making a cut parallel to the fiber direction, then make another parallel cut about 3 mm away. Manually grasp the tab and tear it away to expose the fibers on the layer underneath. Pull until the two layers have been separated across the whole length of the precursor material. Remove any loose fibers from the edge of the tab that neighbor the exposed cross fibers. These may be up to 1 to 2 mm away from the tab path. Continue by separating the piece of precursor material from the bolt. Turn over the material so the new principal fiber direction is the warp direction. Now, mark the grip lines on the material aligned in the weft direction. These lines are a set distance from and parallel to the cut edges of the material. Once again, cut a tab in the material. Then pull the tab to determine the principal fiber direction for the specimen to be cut from the material.